Hi guys, welcome to my booth. My name is Ifrika Isa Claire Miller. You can just call me Isa Claire for short. I have been an educator for almost 2 decades, working in different capacity to help youth. I started my career actually working in healthcare initially, changed directions and transitioned into education because I didn't like how I felt working with blood and things like that, but I was in love with that feeling of making someone feel better. I transitioned into the education, into the classroom. I worked my way into my role as a school counselor, and this is exactly how I did it. I first worked as a teacher assistant. Being a teacher assistant is perfect. I got to be in team meetings. I got to partner with the principal, work with the parents, work with the children one on one. And I got a bird's eye view of seeing exactly who I wanted to be in a school. I saw what learning supported, but I also saw the one on one connections that a counselor was able to form with students to make a difference in wherever they were blocked or had a barrier in. So this was just so fun for me. I got certified as a school counselor in 2011 and immediately landed a job in Miami as a school counselor for grades 7 through 12. I built that program from the ground up, implementing college, career, and personal social protocols that are still being used today. After that, I got an opportunity to go overseas, which was my dream, to work as a school counselor in Kuwait, working in high school, grade 9 and 10, exclusively working as a personal social counselor. And in the second half of my time there, working as a college counselor. Doing both sides of it is actually really enriching because I got to discover how I could more powerfully work with students in a conversation before I got into the practical steps of applying. Working with them and seeing where their minds were at and what was their conversation, what was blocking them, was so much more expeditious than just going to my process. And I would say that I have not only is my process excellent as a college counselor, I made a guide that guided students through a 5-year process that they could follow step by step each year, each semester, to know exactly what to do from grade 7 and 8 all the way through their freshman year. So I would say I'm a master college counselor. I love being a personal social counselor. I am interested in roles from elementary, middle, and high, and I can work at every level. I am so excited to bring who I am back to the school counseling world. I am a partner. Someone calls me a mother for the students. I am a collaborator. I am an open and a safe space for students. I am an empowered person for parents instead of worrying like we all do as parents, empowering them with tools and strategies and a mindset to help empower their child for the dream and the vision that they have for their children. So I am so excited. If this feels like a good fit for you and your school and you could use my energy, my creativity, and my warmth, please reach out. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.